So we have just finished our 3-day course here at Grace Medical. It has been awesome. We just delivered some treatments on each other, which was great.
So it was so much fun. We really enjoyed working on the ladies from Face Club that you get to work with if you come here to Grace Medical, and we enjoyed working on each other. It was 3 really intense days of training, but we learned a lot and we're ready to go out into the world and get a job in the medical aesthetics industry.
Yeah.
I just finished my training with Grace Medical, and I would highly recommend this course for anyone if you're wanting to advance your career in aesthetics, medical aesthetics.
Hello everyone, my name's Calvin. I just finished with Grace Medical's Advanced Aesthetics course. If you're in doubt about taking this course, get undoubtful and take it. It's worth it.
Hello, my name is Elaine and I'm here with Tim Hamilton taking his course. I have an amazing experience with him. I had the opportunity to practice doing laser hair removal in different areas of the body. I had the opportunity to learn how to do micro needling, which is one of my biggest passions. I also had the opportunity to practice with different microdermabrasion types that he offers. He is very, very kind, wonderful. He's very knowledgeable. He has a great sense of humor. He will be able to guide you in anything that you need to set you up in a professional manner. When you're ready to work with a med spa or a doctor, you will be wonderful. I truly highly recommend him to anyone, male, female, anyone who wants to train and have a higher education. Come see Tim. It's amazing.
We just finished Grace Medical Aesthetic class and we had a great time.
I enjoyed taking this course and I've learned so much, and I highly recommend taking this course.
We both do. We learned a lot from Tim. He did a great job.
Thank you so much.